FlexOps is a storage and organization system designed for use in vehicles with adjustable headrests. It comes in a set of 2 units. FlexOps attaches to the support posts of the seat's headrest and hangs behind the seat. FlexOps, or Outdoor Pocket System, is intended for installation only on seats with adjustable headrests. Before installation, identify which FlexOps unit is for the driver's side and which is for the passenger side. Near the top of the FlexOps is a nylon strap with a side release buckle. The FlexOps should be installed so this buckle is on the inside edge of the seat. There are 2 methods for installing your FlexOps on a vehicle seat. Installation method number 1. For vehicles with fully removable headrests. Pull up on your vehicle's headrest to remove it completely from the seat. Please note that there are additional straps attached to this top bar. These straps should be pulled back to hang behind the seat with the rest of the FlexOps. Place the top side of the FlexOps over the top of the seat and position the large slots to line up with the seat's headrest post holes. Holding the FlexOps in position, reinsert the headrest posts into the holes through the slots on the FlexOps. Locate the long strap at the very bottom of the FlexOps. Run this strap around the base of the seat back and secure using the side release buckle. If you have installed your FlexOps on the correct side, this buckle should be positioned towards the outside edge of the vehicle. Installation method number 2. For vehicles with recessed headrests, non-removable headrests, or to allow the FlexOps to hang lower on the seat back. Locate the 2 straps attached to the plastic bar along the top edge of the FlexOps. Pull up on your vehicle's headrest to expose the support posts. Run these straps underneath the headrest and around the outside of both posts. Secure the side release buckle and adjust the strap length as needed to raise or lower the FlexOps to hang at the desired level. Locate the long strap at the very bottom of the FlexOps. Run this strap around the base of the seat back and secure using the side release buckle. If you have installed your FlexOps on the correct side, this buckle should be positioned towards the outside edge of the vehicle, making it easier to access. We will move on now to the usage of the FlexOps. Compound bow instructions. To carry most compound bows, locate the large open top pocket on the bottom half of the FlexOps unit. Place the top limb and cam of the bow into the pocket and secure the vertical strap across the center of the opening by attaching the hook and loop between the 2 front pockets. Bring the riser of the bow up against the top of the seat back. Secure in place using the top adjustable nylon strap with side release buckle. Next, we'll show the proper way to store a rifle or long item. Locate the scabbard-style pockets and open the vertical flaps on the inner edges. The flaps can then be tucked inside the pocket and attached to the hook and loop strip on the inside to keep them out of the way. Slide one end of the rifle into the scabbard-style pocket on one side, pushing it in fully. Move the opposite end of the rifle into position at the opening of the scabbard-style pocket on the other seat, and slide the rifle partially into the pocket. The rifle should now have both ends in pockets, and should be suspended in the space between the FlexOps units. Please note that there are 2 sets of these pockets, allowing for storage of 2 rifles, one above the other. On some vehicles, the center console may block the area between the 2 FlexOps units. If this is the case, detaching the side release buckles at the bottom corners of the scabbard-style pockets will allow the pocket to hang away from the seat back and may create the clearance needed for the center console. As always, please obey local, state, and federal gun laws. Moving on to crossbow storage instructions. You'll start by removing the side release buckle from the adjustable nylon strap at the top of the FlexOps unit. Run the strap through the loop in the center of the FlexOps backing, then reattach the buckle to the strap. Locate the crossbow pouch and unroll it from where it is stored behind the top pocket. Place the butt of the crossbow into the pouch. Bring the top of the crossbow up against the top of the seat back, angling the crossbow towards the center of the vehicle to keep the limbs away from the vehicle door. Secure in place around the barrel using the top adjustable nylon strap with side release buckle. When not in use, the crossbow pouch may be rolled up and resecured behind the top pocket using the attached hook and loop strip. Additional information for care and warranty of this product can be found at rufftuff.com.